Guys, welcome to the first episode of Dave's Garage. I'm Dave. This is the garage. Well, the shop. We're going to talk about the worst sockets I've ever bought. Don't buy them. Snap-on. 3/8 impacts. Look at this. Rust. I don't know. 6-8 months old. Barely use them. I'm a body guy, you know. Gray pneumatics. I want you to take a look at that. No rust. Little scratches. That's it. That's it. 3 years old. Barely used too. What the fuck? Snap-on won't fix it. Won't replace them. Don't care. Told me to oil them or something. I don't know. But for what? I don't know. I think they're at $280, $300 a set. Won't do anything. No more buying Snap-on shit. And look at this. Let me show you. $6,000. $6,000 in the box. Just the box. Let's see. I know I have. Look at this. Here you go. This will be good. You gotta like this. See that? That's what I still owe them. Won't do shit. What do? Stop buying their shit. That's all I can do. Until they do something about it, make it right. By the way, that's J&S Tools. Snap-on dealer, 2 trucks. Big company, make a lot of sales. Don't want to do anything about it. So, once again, these impact sockets right here. Snap-on, come in the magnetic case. Garbage. Alright, well, that's really all I had today. I'm sure I'll find something else for you guys. Any comments, you know, I'm sure some people are going to be like, well, fuck you, you know, you don't use any oil on your shit, blah, blah, blah. I'm a body guy, dude. If I use oil, it fucks up everything. But anyway, you guys have a good day.